Hello guys, this video will show you how you can use Edit-Poly to quickly create variations for your Boolean objects. But real quick guys, I've got two new courses on Udemy, Ultimate Sci-Fi Soldier and Plasticity Modeling Guide. So guys, Plasticity 1.0 is now out, the program is pretty much at a good state. I like using this program guys, it's really fantastic. It's hands down the best 3D modeling program I've ever used. It's fantastic, and this guide will show you how to create this awesome industrial mech. As for the Sci-Fi Soldier, I've got some really good ZBrush hard surface sculpting techniques and then a lot of 3ds Max clean topology. So you get the best of both worlds, guys. Really cool hard surface ZBrush techniques and then all the retopology process in Max. All the Max videos are unsped up and the videos in ZBrush are a little bit sped up. So essentially, guys, the purpose of this one is not to overwhelm you with dozens of hours of content, but just to have really streamlined, just like the best of the best techniques for retopology and sculpting. So guys, check out those courses, links are in the description. Let's continue. So here I'm using FastBool, which is a nice little script from 3D Sky, but if you don't have this, don't worry about it, you can still follow along. Just makes things a little bit more convenient. So let's create the box which we'll be doing Boolean with, and then we can go ahead and clone this out. And I'll just shrink this down and center the pivot. Alright, so what we can do is on the Edit-Poly modifier, we can select this and we can use chamfer. You can hold down Alt and then move left and right to increase this distance. Alright, so we've got that. So this Edit-Poly modifier is storing that change right there. Then we can turn that off and apply a new one. And on this one we can do also chamfer, but this time we can hold Alt and just kind of have this right here. So we can just kind of turn this one on or turn that one on, and we can go here, we can right click and rename this. We can call this smooth chamfer, and we can call this one sharp chamfer. Alright, and so we can do something else here. We can, for example, let's see, extrude this out, and now we have this happening, for example. So we can do this kind of thing, and we can do another one, and we can, for example, chamfer this. All right. So now all we need to do is just kind of move this where we want the chamfer to take place, or the Boolean to take place, I should say. Activate the appropriate Edit-Poly modifier. So I can select this, get main geometry, clone cut, remove, alright. And I can just kind of bool now, alright. Kind of move that one, alright. And then change this one, alright. Bool now. Bool now, and then do the fourth one. Of course, you would change this according to what kind of result you want. So here I'm just kind of showing you a quick example, but you can see we combine all these together, we're able to get really fast results here. So as you can see guys, we're able to quickly use different Edit-Poly modifiers to get all sorts of cool results. So I hope this video proves useful to you. Thank you for watching and take care.